Oneness of Allah, God. The entire universe, with its complexities, demonstrates that Allah, God, is one. The visible universe, I mean the universe with its matter, has a single unit, and the unity from which it is composed reveals the work of the Almighty Creator. The unit in the material world is the atom. The hydrogen atom is the smallest atom in the universe, according to what we know to date. Then you find the oxygen atom, which is heavier, and so on. Then you find the elements that make up the universe according to Mendeleev's periodic table. Then, if you look at life in plants and animals, you find that life is built from carbon compounds, which are capable of combustion. This life in plants and animals is found according to a single anatomical plan. The dissection of a frog, a rabbit, a pigeon, a crocodile, a giraffe, and a whale reveal a single anatomical plan. The anatomical unit in all organisms is the cell, which in plants, animals, and humans has the same functions and specifications. It breathes, reproduces, dies, and is born. Doesn't this tell you that the Creator is one, and He is behind all the life, creatures, and matter you see in this universe? The Creator of the universe is one because He is perfect, so He is not multiple. As for the creatures, each one of them is certainly imperfect and needs someone else, needs someone to complete it. Indeed, the imperfect ones are many, but Allah, God Almighty, who is perfect and has no equal, is certainly one and unique.